Hi and welcome to my tutorial on how to install our plugins for Kimai. What you need is a working Kimai instance with the minimum version of 1.16.10. The custom fields plugin should be installed. You need one or more of the following plugins from us: controlling plugin, vacation plugin or sick day plugin. If you want to purchase one of them, you can go to www.kimai.org/store. You can install each plugin by following the guide in the README file. After installing the plugins, you can log in as a super administrator and check your version. After checking the version, we have to create a custom field per user for each day of the week. I have prepared this tutorial by setting up Monday to Saturday already, but you have to create them on your own. I will show you how to do this by creating Sunday. Choose an internal title, select duration as input field, choose a name, make the default value 0, make it a mandatory field, don't make it visible, choose an order number and set the permission to role admin. After inserting all days, we have to create a new field for the vacation plugin, name it days off, choose integer as an input type. The default value can be whatever you want. Make it a mandatory field, don't make it visible, choose an order number and set the permission to role admin. Afterwards, let's go to the user and set the daily working time for them. Click on the user, then on preferences and enter the amount they have to work for each day. Don't forget to select the state which should be used for public holidays. Now we have to create a tag which identifies home office. Afterwards, we have to create a customer, some projects and some activities. I recommend you to choose the same name for projects and activities. The name is not important and you can choose whatever you want. Now we start to configure the sick day plugin. Choose the activity you have created and then select each day of the work you have created earlier. Now let's configure the vacation plugin. Click on Vacation View, then go to the Settings tab of the plugin and choose Users to exclude if you want. You have to choose the public holiday activity, you have to choose the vacation activity, you have to choose the days off per year, and you have to choose the daily working time which you have created earlier. Last but not least, we have to configure the controlling plugin too. You can choose users to exclude. You have to choose the customer for 3 days. You can add the home office tag and you can add other meta fields as well. You can find this in the README. What you have to add in any case is the daily working time. To use the controlling plugin, you have to close previous months. Just choose the months you want to close and click Save. Now you can check if the month was closed successfully. You see that there is -6 hours in working time. The plugin identifies overlapping times, missing days. It can create home office PDFs for tax reasons. It does a break time check, and you see the timesheet of the user based on his daily working time. The plugin creates an PDF. In the Summary tab, you see the summary of the user for each closed month. If you want to add a sick day for a user, choose the plus at the right top, add the date range where the sick days are reported by the user, and choose the user, and then click Create. You can see now that the plugin has added the days off based on his daily working time. To import public holidays, just go to the Public Holiday tab and click Import Public Holidays. If you want to manually create a public holiday, choose the date, set a name, and set this date For manually created holidays, it's possible to delete them. If you want to edit the vacation days for a user, just go to the Vacation Days tab, click Edit, and enter the number of days the user has. In Vacation Summary, you see the pending and the actual taken days. In Vacation History, you see every change which has been done. Now let's create a vacation application. Choose the vacation period and select the user. After saving, if you refresh the page, you see that the vacation is already granted because you do this as a super administrator. The plugins can be used by normal users too. Now let's create a sick day from the perspective of a user. Click the plus symbol at the top right corner, then add the date range. You can select in PDF and add a comment and then click Create. The administrators get notified after submitting your sick day. As you might have noticed, there was no vacation application for the user. This is because of the permission system of Kimai. We have to grant the permission to the user. Now we will create a leave application as a user. Choose the vacation period, you can add a comment and then click Save. The administrators will be notified. As an administrator, you can grant, deny or cancel a vacation application. If you encounter difficulties while configuring the plugins, don't hesitate to contact us. Find the support mail address in the README of the given plugin. If you need custom development for plugins, you can contact us as well. Enjoy Kimai with our plugins.